Well, good morning. Welcome back. It's 8:43 on a Saturday morning, looking like a nice weekend. Maybe you want to get outside and hit the mountains, hit the Attitash, hit the Wildcat. Jack Fagone, marketing director for both. Good morning.
Good morning.
So I'd be remiss if I didn't start off. Now Attitash, Wildcat, soon to be members of the Vail family. And I guess people might have some questions about their passes.
Yeah.
So what can you tell people who have passes, have the peak passes, and how that'll play out this season?
Sure. Well, obviously, I just want to mention right off the bat, everything is subject to closing, which hasn't quite happened yet.
Yep.
But we do expect all that stuff to go through.
Sure.
If you have a peak pass, fear not. All those, any pass you've bought so far this year is going to be honored for the 1920 winter season.
Right.
If you have an epic pass, all of the peak resorts will be added to that for this season.
Mm-hmm.
And following the closing, anyone with a peak pass that would like to upgrade to a epic pass or epic local pass or epic military, they will have the option to do so after the closing.
And also there's good news regarding the Summit Triple. Attitash posted on its Facebook page earlier this week that people will be able to go to the summit.
Yeah, absolutely. It's something we were really looking forward to sharing with people. Obviously we can't go a full winter without summit access, so this is definitely going to be something our lift mechanics are working on in September. Should only take a couple of days once the parts arrive here. Everything's going to be completely rebuilt on a bench down in Connecticut. So when it all arrives here late August and our team can get going in September, we're just plugging it in and then turning it on. Well,
there you go.
Yeah.
So speaking of turning on, it's summer. And lots going on. Attitash, a big day today, I guess. I mean, you do have a Mega Bowl.
We've got our Mega Bowl.
Right, and then the concert series. So what's a Mega Bowl?
Mega Bowl.
What's in it?
Mega Bowl is from the genius mind of Nate Waterhouse, our mountain bike guy, and in the winter he's our ski school director. We had a double down race series a couple years ago. We decided to kind of rebrand it, call it the Mega Bowl. It's essentially a trophy that you're competing for. But we've also got cash prizes for pros and sponsor prizes for amateurs. And today's the first race. It's a downhill format. I believe it's best of 2 runs. And then later on, I believe it's August, we have another race. It's an enduro.
Sure.
And then we cap off the season with a combo Saturday-Sunday downhill enduro race. So you can register for one event at a time, or all 3. Compete for the Mega Bowl. It's just a good, nice local race down the Attitash trails.
Nice. And also you have the Mountainside Concert Series, which is it's sort of like après ski in summer.
Yeah,
right?
Exactly right. If there's something that Attitash really nails, it's après ski, and so we just carry that. We carry that tradition through the summer. It's a free concert, usually with local bands. Today we have Jonathan Sardi. Really love a nice Jonathan Sardi concert. You get some of those Johnny Cash covers, which he's excellent at. So yeah, come on out. It's 3 to 6 p.m. every Saturday through Labor Day. And we've got the cantina open, pouring adult beverages.
Sure.
Bring some shade with you, little sun umbrella. Your chair. There's plenty of room for everybody. It's a great way to spend the afternoon.
Nice. And coming up, of course, next Saturday you'll have the concert as well, but it's also the Blueberry Festival, right?
Yeah, that's been a good one. I believe this is the 8th annual Blueberry Fest now. And just last year we expanded that into the night a little bit. We bring one of our favorite cover bands, Crush. They play our After Dark series all winter long. So they come out next Saturday for Blueberry Fest. They'll play from 3 to 6 like the Mountainside Music Series. Take a little break, and then they'll play another set from 7 to 9 p.m., and the night concludes with a nice fireworks show. Nice.
And they're the Dave Matthews cover. That's a long day for those musicians, huh?
Yeah, but you know what? They love it.
Yeah.
And they won't repeat a song. They'll play for 6 hours or 5 hours and new songs every time.
Yeah, it's like Dave Matthews and the Dead, all those cover bands keep on going. They love it.
Yeah.
So, and also, what are some of the other attractions that people can enjoy at Attitash?
So let's not forget about Wildcat. Give them a quick mention. Obviously, best scenery in the east. You do want to take a gondola ride up there if you haven't been. Even if you've been up there in the winter, it's a totally different experience in the summertime. I think there's even maybe a little bit of patch of snow left in Tuckerman somewhere.
Somewhere.
Just barely hanging on. I'm sure someone's going to go ski it today. You can take the gondola ride up there. We also have our zip rider, which is kind of a nice zip line experience.
Yep.
And then we also do some nice hikes up there.
Nice.
And we have an 18-hole disc golf course,
Yeah,
the Top
yeah.
Cat disc golf course.
Nice.
So that was a new addition last year, but really starting to pick up some steam up there, and people are enjoying the course. It is challenging. It's a mountain course. You ride the lift twice to get to various holes. But man, it is a unique experience up there.
Yeah, and plus, I mean, you have some nice hardcore, shall we, dedicated enthusiasts who enjoy that discipline.
Absolutely, yeah. It's disc golf is a pretty popular thing right now.
Yeah.
That and cornhole, I hear they're starting to televise both.
Wow. So for those people who think chess is boring, no, cornhole.
Right.
I've always thought cornhole in winter, it could be like snow hole. You could do like, snowballs or something
why
like
not?
that going in. Why
Yeah,
not? So
why
cool.
not?
All right, and anything else going on at Attitash or Wildcat you'd like to tell people about?
Yeah, well, Attitash, obviously, the adventure park is open. We've had a great summer so far. The weather's really been cooperating since June. It was a bit of a rainy spring, but man, ever since then it's been absolutely gorgeous. So, come on out and play. We have our general admission tickets, which gets you unlimited access to everything at the park except for the zip tour. That's a separate ticket. But yeah, longest alpine slide in New Hampshire, longest zip line east of the Rockies, longest mountain coaster in New Hampshire, the airbag jump, just a long list of bucket list items, if you will.
Yes, there you go. Nice. Well, Jack, thank you very much for stopping by this morning, and perhaps you'll see Jack or go and enjoy Attitash Wildcat, and remember, it's a Mega Bowl Saturday. Don't go away.